In this video, I'll be helping you with the math topic called subtracting polynomials. Seen here in the OpenStax College Algebra text, we're asked to find the difference between these two polynomials. And since we have subtraction, I'll start by the way we often do by turning this subtraction of this entire set of parentheses into addition by distributing the negative to drop those parentheses. So our first parentheses will stay the same, 7x to the fourth minus x squared plus 6x plus 1. But then distributing that negative, changing all of the signs to drop that second parentheses, we will have a negative 5x cubed. And then distributing the negative to the next term, a positive 2x squared. For the next term, a negative 3x, and then our last distribution, a minus 2. Now that we've removed all of the parentheses, we can begin to look for like terms that we can combine. And you may want to rewrite this to put those like terms together. And if I were to do that, I would see that this 7x to the fourth is the only one. So I would leave it just by itself. And I also have just one x third, so I will write that. So I'll write that just by itself as well. However, I do have two x squared, so I should write those next, and I should write those next to each other. So we have a minus x squared and a plus 2x squared. After the x squareds would be our regular x's, and I again have 2, so I'll write those next. This is a plus 6x and a minus 3x. And lastly, we have these regular numbers, plus 1 and a minus 2. I'll write those next. And here I can see that I've put the like terms next to each other so I can start doing some combining. The 7x to the fourth minus 5x cubed, those don't have any like terms, so they're good as they are. For the x squareds, though, I have a minus 1x squared and a plus 2x squared, so those would combine to be just a plus 1x squared. For the x's, we have a plus 6x and a minus 3x. Adding those together, 6 minus 3 would be a plus 3x. And then for the numbers, plus 1 minus 2, combining those together leaves us a minus 1. We've combined all of the like terms and written this in descending order. So this would be our simplified expression.